Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by turning off the circuit breaker that feeds the ceiling fan. Confirm power is off using a non-contact voltage tester on the light sockets. Remove every bulb and set them aside in a safe container. Carefully lower any glass shades and rest them on a soft towel. Position a stable 6-foot ladder under the fan and gather a Phillips screwdriver and needle nose pliers. Keep a small tray ready for screws and fasteners during removal. While supporting the glass shade with one hand, unscrew the finial or retaining screws counterclockwise. Place the removed finial and screws into a small labeled parts tray immediately. If your kit uses 3 screws for the shade, remove them and gently lower the glass. Next, locate the 3 light kit mounting screws where the kit meets the fan housing. Remove those screws and hold the light kit so it does not drop. Set the entire light kit on the towel along with inspect the connection between the light kit and fan for a plastic plug-in connector. Press the connector tab and pull the halves straight apart to disconnect the low voltage or high voltage wiring. If you instead see wire nuts, confirm the breaker is off and carefully loosen the wire nuts to separate black, hot, white, neutral, and green or bare ground. Cap the fan wires individually with new wire nuts for safety. Tuck the capped wires back into the canopy, then reattach the canopy with its screws and tighten securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.